Have you ever gotten that sinking feeling after hitting subscribe on a new streaming service, only to realize you've signed up for a year of something you barely use? Yeah, me too. That feeling of being locked into unwanted commitments extends far beyond entertainment. It happens with gym memberships, magazine subscriptions, and worst of all, those pesky subscription services hidden within your cable bill. These unwanted charges can seriously eat away at your budget, leaving you feeling frustrated and powerless. That's where companies like Rocket Money step in, promising to blast off with those unwanted subscriptions, saving you money in the process. But before you hand over your financial rocket fuel, the question remains, can you trust Rocket Money? Let's take a deep dive into what Rocket Money does, how it works, and most importantly, whether it's a legitimate service that can actually help you save money. Rocket Money, your subscription slayer? Rocket Money bills itself as a subscription management service. They claim to identify all your hidden subscriptions, cancel the ones you don't want, and even negotiate lower rates on the ones you do. Sounds pretty sweet, right? Freeing yourself from unwanted charges and potentially saving money on existing subscriptions? It's a tempting proposition for anyone tired of feeling financially nickel-and-dimed. How does Rocket Money work? The process starts with you linking your bank accounts and credit cards to Rocket Money's secure platform. Once connected, they scan your transaction history to identify recurring charges that might indicate subscriptions. They then categorize these charges and present you with a list. Here's where the real magic, supposedly, happens. Rocket Money claims to analyze each subscription and provide options. You can choose to keep it, negotiate a lower rate through their service, or have them cancel it on your behalf. They also boast features like automatic cancellation after a set period, ensuring you don't get stuck in a long-term commitment you didn't intend. Is Rocket Money legit? This is where things get interesting. Rocket Money operates on a freemium model. The basic service is free, allowing you to see your subscriptions and manage them yourself. However, the real power lies in their concierge cancellation service, which comes with a monthly fee. This is where they handle the negotiation and cancellation for you. Here's the key point, Rocket Money doesn't have a magic cancellation button. They can't bypass cancellation policies set by subscription companies. Instead, they rely on contacting customer service representatives and negotiating on your behalf. Their success rate depends heavily on the specific subscription service and their negotiation skills. The verdict, trust, but verify. So, can you trust Rocket Money? The answer, like most things in finance, is a qualified maybe. The free service can be a valuable tool to identify hidden subscriptions and track your spending. However, the effectiveness of their paid concierge service depends on several factors. Here are some things to consider before signing up. Success rates. While Rocket Money claims a high success rate with cancellations, independent reviews paint a mixed picture. It's important to do your research and see what others have experienced. Negotiation skills. Not everyone is a born negotiator. There's a chance Rocket Money might not be able to secure lower rates on your existing subscriptions. Effort versus reward. Consider the time you'd spend canceling subscriptions yourself versus the monthly fee for Rocket Money's service. If you have a lot of subscriptions and canceling them feels daunting, the convenience factor might be worth it. The bottom line. Ultimately, deciding whether to trust Rocket Money is a personal choice. The free service can be a helpful starting point, but their paid service requires careful consideration. Before diving in, do your research, understand the limitations, and weigh the potential benefits against the cost. Remember, financial security is all about taking control. Rocket Money can be a tool, but you're still the pilot. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.